Welcome everyone, dear people. Nifty is on a roller coaster ride as of now. It seems like the market is currently trying to move on the higher side. However, the bulls are actually attacking at the higher side and pushing it downwards. Probably that's because there are so many people who are looking to book the profits because the market have actually gone way ahead of the curve as of now. The previous highs was around 18,300 levels, and now we are somewhere around those levels itself at 18,200 levels. That's probably the reason the market is being slaughtered from the highs every time we are actually heading there. As of now, I wanted to give you a different perspective. Nifty in the 5-minute chart is at the highest level of the Bollinger Band, and it is at the resistance level. The highest level of Bollinger Bands means that the market is going to go on a downside as of now. So we are seeing that the market has actually reached the top, and now is the fall. The bottom, which has to be seen at the lower levels of the Bollinger Bands, and that is what the market may see in today's session, because S&P 500 the SGX Nifty, which is the Singapore Nifty, is actually showing about 75 points down move at this particular time, somewhere around 8 o'clock in the morning. And we are seeing that there is a hike in the market. However, let us look at the daily markets. If we draw a trend line from the highs to the lows, and where is the negatives? The Nifty trend line is on a fall as of now. The negative trend line is a fall, and the market have actually crossed that particular negative trend. However, the positive trend is on a rise, and we see that the Nifty is greatly supported at this particular level, and we are currently at the hike of the positivity. So the positive trend line is actually pushing the markets higher, and negative trend line is trying to push the market lower. At these particular levels of intersection, we are seeing that the market is having a roller coaster ride. That's one of the reasons that the market is trying to go up, however is being pushed down. As well, the 20-day EMA is a very strong resistance for the market as of now. Yesterday also we came down exactly from those levels of the highs of the Nifty, and we are seeing Nifty EMA at EMA 20-day levels at 18,250. So the highs are being capped by EMA, and that is the 20-day EMA, and we are actually seeing the market may go a bit downer towards the level of 18,100 or 18,068 levels in today's session as well, because there is a possibility that the market may crack down because of the SGX Nifty not showing the support at this point of time. Remember, 18,159 is a very strong support for the market. As well, 18,100 and 18,068 levels are great supports as well. Now we are seeing the great resistance at the EMA 20 level. So 18,200 and 18,250 and 18,300 levels and 18,411 levels are the greatest resistances that the market may see at this point of time. So that being said, this is the market analysis for today. If you have any questions at all with respect to technical analysis, I am here to help. This is your host and dost Ashok, and if you have any questions, please do comment below and I will be eager to answer any of your comments. As well, I have plans of launching the Nifty futures and options trading course probably by 5th. So please watch out for this section, and in the next video you will actually watch how to actually retire rich. So you can watch that in a video over here. I will see you in that video.